Have you ever looked at modern art and said, oh, that's no big deal, a kid could do that? Well, I did too, until I learned about this one invention that changed modern art forever. This invention gave rise to things like impressionism, expressionism, and cubism. That's a lot of isms. The invention was none other than the camera. It changed everything. Leading right up to the Renaissance, the goal was to make things hyper-realistic. But with the birth of the camera, there was no longer really a point. Now, portraits weren't just for the wealthy, they were democratized. Therefore, artists sought to show the essence of something. They wanted to show the feeling or the emotion connected with what they were painting, instead of just trying to make it look how it looks in real life. It made room for artists like Van Gogh, Monet, Kahlo, Goya, Picasso, and Pollock, and way more. And that's what kind of made me start to love modern art. Because isn't the goal of art to really just make you feel something?